If you want to braid your own hair, this is everything you need for a DIY braiding style, whether you're doing boho braids, goddess braids, box braids, whatever type of braiding style you're trying to do this summer, okay? It's so beautiful, so versatile, and you can totally achieve this look on your own and save a ton of money, honey. Save money, okay, and do it yourself. Sure, it takes time. It does take a lot of time, not gonna lie. All right, we're gonna need some hair. I'm using hair from Y Wigs. This is human hair. I use 3 bundles, 18-inch natural color water wave. So this is what I use. You don't have to use this hair, okay? I also needed a braiding rack. I got this from Amazon and I've listed it in my Like to Know shop. Okay, it has like 10 pegs across and 6 rows below. It keeps you totally organized, especially when you're using so many pieces of hair. You're also going to need a 3-way mirror unless you want to suffer when it comes to parting the back of your head. I hate parting the back of my head, and this tool makes it so much easier, okay? So yeah, we want crisp parting, nice parting, okay? So yeah, get a 3-way mirror, and I've also listed that. Again, I found it on Amazon, okay? And let's see, you're also going to need some wide tooth combs or a wide tooth comb or pick. Cutting scissors for the hair itself, possibly some clips to keep you organized when your hair is up, and also clips to help pull the hair up as you're braiding. And then I'm using this edge control brush or tool because it has this sharp edge and it helps me to part really well. So when I add the Shine and Jam and then I part with it, I get really crisp parting, nice straight lines. I'm also using hair oil, which I used before I started braiding on my hair, just to keep it naturally moisturized. And then, of course, we must have Shine and Jam. Please make sure you get the original Shine and Jam because there's a lot of fakes being sold in the beauty shops for cheaper. So this one cost me about $15, I believe, from my store, local beauty shop. So again, you can get it on Amazon. This is a leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. I also apply this generously to my natural hair to keep it well under the braids. So follow for more tips.